I'm going to teach you how to draw Vlad today. So, when drawing Vlad, it's good to start with the hat. So you know where to go from with the rest of him. So it's sort of a rectangle shape, but with curved corners, like that. And then again on the top, like that. And you add a little flower. I'm going to save the face for later. We'll go back later to add different facial expressions because that's very important with Vlad. So I'll leave the face blank for now. Draw his long hair. Just straight lines like this, going down. You can make it as crazy as you want. Then his body is sort of a bean shape. It goes down like this. And then for his back, it's just these semicircle shapes down the side. And we connect the lines across to the bottom of all the semicircles. His legs are just straight lines. And they have these little bits on them. He's a flea. And then his arms are the same as his legs, just two straight lines. So there's the Vlad. He hasn't got any face yet. So the go-to expression I have for Vlad is big smiley mouth open Vlad. We'll start with his eyes, which are sort of half tucked in by his hat, and these lines for his pupils. You can do some shading under the hat if you want. That's up to you. And then his big smile mouth just comes in like this, big semicircle. Give him two little pointy teeth and a tongue. So that's the standard go-to face I have for Vlad, but you can have some others. For that, the mouth has to be a lot bigger, and the eyes bigger as well. You can make the hat smaller or give more room to the eyes. An angry face. So you have a lot of this expression is in the eyes. See, he doesn't have eyebrows, but you can make the top of his eyes act like eyebrows. He might have a big frown on his face. Another face you could have is a frightened face. He's in a lot of scary situations for a flea. So again, the eye is big. It's good to exaggerate to really communicate it. Tiny little pupils. And a tiny little mouth. Vlad might also feel quite tired. You have a sleepy face. Just close his eyes. Two little lines like that. Z's to show that he's asleep.